In this lesson, we're going to talk about relative URLs, and these are URLs that don't have all of the different parts and are just relative to the current location of the file that has the link in it. In other words, you have a link like this where it just says here.html. The browser will assume that that file exists in the same location as this page here does. And so this page exists on the web at this location. And so it'll just take this last part of it, including the host name and the path all the way up to the file name. And it'll just assume that all that part is the same, and the only thing that changes is the file name there. So let's take a look at this page in the browser, and you'll see this is loaded up on my website at bw.org, and at that path, and this is hyperlinks.html. And this link here is the link we were looking at, and it just has this here.html in the link. And so when I hover my mouse over the link, you'll see the title bar at the bottom shows the location of the page that it's going to call up when I click on it. And you'll see that that location is the same as the location in the title bar, with the exception that instead of hyperlinks.html, it's got here.html. So if I click on that, you'll see that the only part that'll change is this last part there. So I'll go ahead and I'll click on the link. And sure enough, all that changed was that, and you've got here.html instead of hyperlinks.html. So I'll go ahead and go back to the previous page, and you'll see the visited link color has changed. Likewise with over there, this is another link, and it has a subdirectory before their part. But since there's no slash at the beginning of the subdirectory, it's going to go ahead and just use this part here again, and it'll replace that with subdirectory / there.html. So it'll be in another directory, but it will not replace all of this all the way back to the beginning because I didn't begin with a slash. If I had begun with a slash there, it would replace all of this, but in this case, it's just going to replace that last part with subdirectory and there.html. So I'll go ahead and I'll click on it, and you'll see that now we're a directory deeper, and we have there.html, and it did exactly what we expected it to do. And this one here has a special notation with these two dots. That means go up a directory. So in this case, instead of just replacing this part here, it'll go up a directory and replace all of this. So what we'll get is else.html, and actually the link has a -x at the end of it, so it'll be else-x.html. And it'll start at that directory up one level. So there we go, else-x.html, and it's up a directory. So I'll go back, and now we're in our XHTML links directory again. And finally, this one is a link to an image, and it'll just display the image. And likewise, it'll add this directory after the XHTML links directory here and show that image. And that image is the parts of the URL from our last lesson. So that's how relative links work. Relative links work relative to the current location, the location of the file that has the links in them. And they're pretty simple once you understand them.